Take our lead, let's help you make your mark. Our goal is your satisfaction. Let us show you the way.
Heat the cast iron fajita platter or cast iron skillet on the stovetop on medium-high for 20 minutes. You may use the oven to preheat skillets, but finish on the stovetop as directed below. It needs to be smoking hot by the time you add the fajita filling. Do not apply any type of oil to cast iron griddle. 3 January 2007.
Make your mark, take our lead.
To season your sizzler pan, heat it up in the oven at 200 degrees Celsius, 392 degrees Fahrenheit until it is smoking hot. Then rub a little oil into it and let it cool. Repeat this process a few times. 2. Clean your sizzler pan thoroughly after each use with soap and water and remove any leftover food from the bottom. 13 August 2019.
Make your mark, take our lead.
Put it all together. Pile the veggies on a platter alongside the sliced chicken and beef. Wrap the tortillas in foil and warm them through on the grill. Serve the chicken, beef and veggies with the warm tortillas, beans, grated cheese, sour cream, lime wedges and pico de gallo.
Take our lead.
It's because they are still on the heat. Fajitas are served, usually, on cast iron skillets. Cast iron, which is heavy and dense, retains its heat a lot longer than thin steel or aluminum metals or ceramic plates. So your meat is still cooking as it's being brought to your table.
Take our lead.
Plus larger image. A cooking utensil that is traditionally a cast iron, short-walled pan that is used to prepare searing hot ingredients such as meat, seafood, fish, and vegetables for making fajitas or quesadillas.
Thank you for watching. Please subscribe and hit the bell notification.